What's up, guys? Derek here with Ford Banger. Today I'm going to install the SPE sway bar bushing kit in the back of the GT500. This install is going to be the same for every S550 realistically. The rear cradle setup's all the same. Pretty simple process here. One thing to keep in mind, if you have a carbon fiber track pack GT500 versus like a base model, the sway bars are going to be a different size, so make sure that you order the one that's for the carbon fiber track pack or the one that's for the base model. So here I already put one side in. You can see it's installed there. And then to install this, what I used is you're going to need a 13. You can either put it on a ratchet or on an impact, and then a ratchet with kind of a long extension. I mean, you could probably finesse it if you didn't have that long of an extension. That makes it easy. And then some blue Loctite, and then you can see the two sides of the bushing, the billet cup for the rear sway bar bushing. This thing's kind of heavy. I mean, it's definitely heavy compared to the other one. I mean, whatever. I mean, I don't know, what is it, maybe half a pound or something like that, maybe not even that, but I mean, it's definitely got some considerable weight compared to the other one. It's definitely more stout. And then the bushings here, these are the Delrin bushings. I mean, these things are tough. I mean, they're made of like a plastic almost, it feels like, but there's like absolutely no give in them. And then the socket head for this is going to be a 5/16. So show you guys how quick and easy this is. I'll get it changed out. So, a second here to get set up. Let's see. Yeah. Good enough, right? Yeah, there we are. All right. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna zip out the two bolts. This one there. The second one there. Then the cup is just going to kind of fall down or pull out like that. Then the bushing, you can slide the bushing over to the side and then open it up. As you can see, it's got like a split in it, but you can open it up, pull that out. Alright, so then you're going to take the, let's see where we're at, take the first bushing there, put it in the cup so it's already in there. You're going to take the other bushing and you're going to slide it over the sway bar from the top to the side. Just going to get it slid in there. And there's actually a stop on the sway bar, if you can see it right here, so it only allows you to push the bushing so far. Go. And this part is, like I said, these bushings fit a little tight here, so getting the bushing in the cup on the top one takes a little bit of force. You can see it's up in there. Looks good. We're going to put some blue Loctite on the tip of the threads. Do three lines straight down it, instead of covering all the threads. And really you only need to get about the bottom, I don't know, 1 inch of the threads covered. About there. That's about all you're going to see actually threaded into it. Started. I tried to thread it in my hand. It was a little tougher than it looked. The other side threaded in by hand just fine. Drop that bolt in the dirt, so just had to clean her off a little bit. And as far as when you put them up here, I don't have like the exact torque specs or anything like that for, oh, there we go. I don't have the exact torque specs for, you know, what they're supposed to be, but at the end of the day with 3/8 ratchet, you're definitely not going to overdo it. And they weren't in there. I mean, I took the impact to them, take them out just for ease of convenience, but they weren't in there very tight either. So if you want to look up the torque specs, I mean, you can. I'm just going to go snug on them. You know, push them to a point where you don't feel like you're going to break them, but, you know, tight. And then I tightened up each side, like sort of snug, that side, then that side, just to make sure that everything went up in there even. Okay, check the other side. That's tight. Yeah, so easy enough. I mean, what was that? 5-minute install for one side, probably the same for the other. I mean, so it's a 10-minute deal. And with that, you know, this sway bar is going to have absolutely no movement. I mean, it's going to be one with the cradle. So yeah, that's the install. The GT500 or an S550, just remember to keep in mind carbon fiber track pack, different size bushings. So make sure you get the one for the carbon fiber track pack versus the handling pack. And yeah, that's all I got for now. Ford Banger out.